I hope all is going well with you. And check this out, I got a nice video right now for you, and it's gonna show you guys how to create homes like a house, decorate it inside and outside, and it's for free. And you're gonna be using the 3D program that I usually use. It's called Blender. I will leave the link in the description for both programs, the Blender program and the add-on, the free add-on. It's a free program with a free add-on, and this is gonna help you to decorate, not just decorate, create homes from scratch. And this is really good if you're into designing, if you plan on getting to architectural designs and things like that. Now, I'm going to show you guys how to do this very, very easily, but pay attention to what I'm doing. And also I would advise you to work along with me, right? Because if you work along with me while I'm doing this, if you do it while I'm doing it, then you're going to save time. Now you're going to type in Home Builder Blender. I'll leave the link in the description, so it's all good. Now this Home Builder Creative 4 Designer, I actually tried to use this. It didn't work. Okay, I'm not sure why it didn't work, but we have Creative Designer 3D. I will also leave the Blender program that I'm using, because there's different versions of Blender. Right now there's 4.2 at this moment, but I'm using 3.6, so I will leave that link for 3.6. 3.6 is really good, and it's stable when it comes to using Home Builder 3, right? Home Builder 4, I'm not sure. So anyways, after you type that in, you're gonna go to Creative Designer 3D Home Build, the github.com, and once again, I'll leave the link. Then you'll go here and you'll download the zip file. After you download the zip file, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open your Blender program, okay? So you go to your Blender 3.6. Remember, you have to install Blender. If you don't have it installed, download and install it. I will leave the link in the description. Download and install it. After you've downloaded the add-on, you're gonna fire up Blender. It's gonna look like this. Just go to General and get rid of the cube, right click, delete. There you go. Now you're gonna go to the top left, go to Edit, Preferences, and then you're gonna go to Install. Wherever you put that add-on, the Home Builder add-on that you downloaded, you're gonna go there. So you're gonna find where it is, and you're gonna install it. I'm going to install add-on, and you'll have it installed. Now you're gonna go to your search in here, and remember, when you go into the Blender preferences, go to add-ons. Sorry to tell you, I forgot to tell you guys that. Go to add-ons. In your search, you're gonna type in Home Builder, and this will show up. Now you have these different libraries. You got Asset Library here. You got 4. For some reason 4 does not work for me, so just keep that on, and make sure this is checked. You want to check this box, okay? Asset Library Home Builder, check that box. After that's done, press N on your keyboard on the regular screen, and then you'll see Home Builder at the side. Click the Home Builder and this will come up, this tab. Now while you're in here, we can start doing a 1-2 design. So we're gonna go to Walls, and then you're gonna go to Draw Wall. Let's zoom in a little bit. It's gonna look like this. So let's just you're gonna click, left click it, and then you don't have to like hold down on the mouse. You just gotta basically drag it. So here we go. I'm not gonna make this too big. I think I did that too big. But use the guidelines. This is not gonna be a tutorial on perfecting this program. This is just a quick tutorial on like a demonstration of it. So there you go. All right, so I have my little box, right? So what I want to do over here, you're gonna go to Build, and there's different things. You see that? But let's just go to, let's change this to Doors and Windows. So let's have a, we're gonna have our door for the house. What you do when you're here, you're gonna drag it. You're gonna click it and then drag it on. You see that? So then you can put it where you pretty much want. Now, I know Home Builder 4, so it works a little bit different, but we'll just put this one. For some reason, I like it on the side like that. I'm not sure why, but I do. Okay, so there. This doesn't look like a front door as much as this would, the double door, but this is good. Now, what we can also do, we can put a large window. Same rule apply. You just drag it onto your object right there. And the thing I really like about Home Builder is that it snaps to your object. It snaps to it. So there you go. And as you can see, the window can still kind of be seen like there. I don't believe the windows should have been on this side, but I did it that side anyway. Now, we're okay. We're okay. Now, what else you can do is this. Let me just get down in here a little bit. Okay. I'll just go right there. So what you can do, while we're in rooms, let's go to decorations, okay? We have these type of things. Teapot. Let's go to materials. You have different materials you can slap on there. I'm gonna show you another trick after, guys, but you might have to. Actually, I'm not gonna show you the other trick because the other trick is gonna require you downloading another program, and we're just gonna keep it very simple for this tutorial. So you can also add a cabinet. Let's add a cabinet. Same rule. You drag it, and as you can see, the cabinet, it kind of you can put on the wrong side. Do not do that. So I'm gonna put it right there. There, we got the cabinet, right? Now you can move the cabinet around. Actually, I'm sorry about that. The cabinet doesn't really move around. You have to snap that into place correctly, folks. Okay? And there might be a way to do it, but I'm not gonna do it right now just for the sake of this demonstration. So we got one of these. We can put these in the corner. We got the corner base. Try to use these things as guidelines. So yeah, as you can see, I put it the wrong way. So we're gonna Control Z, get that out of there. And we're gonna try this again. You see, I don't like that. It's giving me trouble. It's giving me problems, folks. So let's try this one more time. See, it snaps, right? Also, I might have done this the wrong way, to be honest. I might have actually put in this the wrong way. And that is possible. That could happen, that you put it the wrong way. So this is something most people have to play around with to figure it out. But it's pretty neat. It's pretty easy. Now let's add another decoration for our little thing over there. Let's just say we want a coffee. We're gonna put that there. There, we got a coffee. And it basically snaps to it, folks. I know in Blender a lot of times things are floating in air because they want you to be like completely precise with where you're putting things. But yeah, now I know it's gonna look a little strange like that, right? There's no design to it. That's because up here you want to change your render view. I mean, you want to change your viewport. So let's go to material view, and now you can see there's a little bit more detail on everything, even the shining off the window. You get me? So yeah, and then if you go to materials, you can change. I'll show you. So let's just drag. Let's just say you want to blossom your whole place, right? You're gonna drag it onto your section you want. Click it, and you're gonna want to go to override the wall. Now click OK, and just give it a second to generate. There you go. So you can try it on this side if you want. We'll do a different one. Override. There you go. Instantly overrides it, and as you can see what it's doing there. Now, like I said, this is something you want to play around with till you perfect it, but you're easily able to design a home. As you can see, the floor is not that good there, right? So let's see what we can do. There's a build here. So these are a whole bunch of different things. Look at these different shelves. This is amazing, right? We can slap one of these cubbies. See, you put the cubby in one of these things. You see that? Awesome. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of different decorations. You can put one of these on top of here, have a little toaster right here for whatever silly reason. I'm not sure why that'd be there, but it's there. So you can change the room decorations or kitchen decorations. So let's just say we want a sofa or a clock on the wall. Let's put a clock. I don't really like the look of that clock. I'm not sure if I put it backwards. I might have. And let's see. So we're gonna push R, X, and we're gonna spin it around. And there you go. As you can see, I did put it the wrong way. So there you go. Got a nice little clock there. Let's put a sofa, shall we? And as you can see, the sofa, everything, it's going the wrong way. So yes, I did design the place the wrong direction, and now it's believing that it's just faced it the wrong way. So you just spin it with R. Now for G, X, and we're gonna bring that over. I like how with the couches and stuff, you can easily move around. These other things you can't, but that's okay. So as you can see, we have a nice little thing going on for the home. We can have a dining chair. What else do we have here? Okay, that's it. You can add more, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, settings, open file library, create. Yeah, you can add more. That's a whole nother tutorial. We're not gonna get into that. And yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. Let's go to a double door. So there we go. We got a double door randomly there in this little small room. Got one door, two doors. I like it. I like it a lot. So we'll do a small window over here. Why not? Why not? We're silly today. And that's it. Right now, obviously, if you want to, you're gonna want a roof, right? So to get a roof, what I would do personally, since I don't see roof in here, I do not see a roof. Let me continue looking. There's materials, simple cabinet, products, doors, cabinets, bathrooms. There's bathrooms, all this sorts of stuff. Shelves, division, there's a lot of stuff here. You want to look for a roof, so let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's current. Okay, so this is how I do the roof. Add, mesh. Let's go to a simple plane. S. Try to make it the size of whatever you're doing. GZ. And we're just going to keep playing around with this till it's just like right over our thing. Yeah. So we just got a flat little roof. I'm not really gonna try too hard to do this. I'm just quickly showing you guys that you can actually do it and play around with it. Now, as you can see, this is a pretty flat roof. So what we can do with it selected, we're gonna go over here to a tool. We're gonna add We're gonna add a modifier, and we're going to go to solidify. So where is that over here? Probably, whoops, that's not where we want to go. I just seen it too, you know. Here it is, solidify. So with solidify chosen, see the thickness over here on the right? We can just make the thickness like that, there. So basically there's your little roof. Now you can easily make a little chimney if you wanted, like It's not going to be hard to make a chimney. Why don't you go to add object mesh? Let's go to cube this time. S to size it. Y because we want to. Now we're going to go like this. S, X. Now we're going to make it smaller. Just shrink it with S. G, Z, let's bring it up. G, Y. G, X. And listen, all you guys who know how to build homes, don't judge, all right? Don't judge. I'm just a guy trying a thing right now. So yeah, you can have your little roof and your little chimney. There you go, okay? And that is pretty much the whole gist of this home builder thing. You can always add other objects to this. You can add a floor, because clearly I don't have a floor. But that's gonna be it for this tutorial. This is Home Builder. It's a free add-on in Blender for all those interested in designing their own homes, learning the measurements and the links, because it does tell you measurements and links in this. And Home Builder 4 is even more in depth. So if you can find a way to make that work, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you use Home Builder 4. Let me know if you tried this program out. And yeah, just enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy this. And thank you so much for stopping by the Teaching Beats pod class. Let's do this. I just want to put this out there. Teach and Beats pod class. So yeah, I appreciate everybody who's stopping by. Yep, there you go. Yeah, much respect, much respect. Thank you. And until I see you guys, keep learning and keep teaching.